Good morning. Welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. Today, we're putting these 3 new hutch girls who have been quarantining and then are just like being in this hutch, getting used to our new weird natural rabbit diet. We're going to be taking them from their hutch and transferring them to a rabbit tractor to live with one of our other newer rabbits, Sterling. You'll remember that Ladybug gave birth in the transition colony pen, so we can't put these girls in the pen like I was hoping we would be able to, because eventually they're supposed to go in the main colony, so the easiest thing would be to put them from here into the pen, then into the colony. But I'm going to have to take a more slow and circuitous route to that end goal. They're going to go from this hutch to a tractor until Ladybug's kits are old enough to be weaned, and she and her babies can come out of that transition pen. Then they'll go from the tractor to the pen, then from the pen to the colony. I've decided to let them live in the tractor with Sterling. They are of similar age, and he's a pretty young buck. They're pretty young does. I figure he's the safer of the 2 bucks to put him with. The other option is Onyx, and he's a little older, so I don't know if because he's mature he'd try to breed them more. It probably would be fine, but I figure having all the young rabbits together would be a little bit safer. So, I have this barrel. Okay, girls. I know, it's scary. 1, 2. Come here, Lav. Come here, Lavender. 3. Okay. Okay, Sterling, are you ready for some new girlfriends? 1, 2, and Lavender. 3. There you go. It looks like they're all sniffing each other right now. The girls are exploring, Sterling is sniffing them. These girls are fully transitioned onto our new no pellets diet. They're used to eating lots of greens, they're used to eating lots of hay. That's all they're going to get in here is greens and hay. Okay, Sterling's trying to mount. Completely normal. She's too young to breed, Bubba, I'm sorry. It's good to see that all these girls are running around and exploring. They're not cowering in a corner or hiding. And I just moved this tractor to fresh grass, so Sterling seems to be getting distracted by the fresh stuff to eat, so that's good. Oh, look, Izzy's back there. She's eating some grass. Well, this is going much better than I was planning on. I mean, you always hope for the best, but I usually plan on it to go weird or wrong. He's not trying to breed anybody. No cowering in the corners. There's no grunting or fighting. The does aren't fighting him. Of course, he's sniffing them and kind of looking like he's trying to mount them. Oh, there we go. A little bit. He's trying a little bit. Okay. This is more usual behavior I was expecting. Mounting and running. Yeah, that's good. That's good to be buck-like. Good job. Yeah, she's too young, dude. Did you get a fall off? I don't know. I would be very surprised if these does actually got pregnant. Oh, yeah, mounting her head. That's expected from a young buck, but still kind of funny. I'm feeling pretty good about just leaving them to do their own business. I'm going to keep checking on them throughout the rest of my animal chores, but I still have a lot to do this morning. But they have hay and they have grass. I'll get them some water. And then I'll just leave him to it. All this behavior is normal. There's nothing worrying. No one's being violent or hurting anyone. No does are attacking him. He's not chasing or attacking them meanly. He's just trying to breed, which is completely good and normal. He'll probably give up after a little bit. So I'll come check back with these guys later. Bye, guys. Come to check on these guys again. Looks like they're doing good. Oh, Izzy, did you find out how to get up there? Up to the top place? That's so good. Hello, girls. Hello. Looks like Sterling is leaving him alone now. Everything's still looking good. Here, you can jump down. Oh, good job. Good job, Islanzati. You all are so pretty together. So pretty.